Want this? Well, the first method is to cut a part of the image. First, we make sure to rasterize the image. Then, click on this tool. Edit, cut. To crop an image in a circular shape, select this tool. Then, we select the area we want. Edit, cut. Okay, but if we want to cut out what is inside the circle, do the following. Select the same tool, select the area, right-click, inverse. Edit, cut. The last method is in case we want to cut something specific. Select this tool. And select the area you want by clicking on it. To deselect, click Select and then deselect. If you found the video useful, leave me a like. Also consider subscribing. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.